All right, real talk. While everyone is busy gambling on meme coins with dog names and anime pictures, smart money quietly positions itself in infrastructure. And on Solana, Raydium is that infrastructure. If Solana is the highway, Raydium is the fuel station, toll booth, and traffic controller all in one. In today's video, we're breaking down what Raydium actually is, simple version, how it works without tech headaches, why it still matters in 2025, tokenomics, risks, and competition, and who should actually care about Ray. This is not financial advice. Education only, always DYOR. Let's get into it. Raydium is a decentralized exchange, DX, and liquidity provider built on Solana. But here's the key difference. Most DEXs are like private swimming pools. Raydium is connected to the entire ocean. It's an AMM, automated market maker, that also plugs into Solana's order book liquidity, meaning better prices, less slippage, faster trades. This makes Raydium one of the core backbones of Solana DeFi. Not hype, not vibes, just plumbing that actually works. Let me explain this like we're grabbing coffee. When you trade on a normal AMM, you trade only against that pool's liquidity. With Raydium, your trade also taps into Solana's broader order book. That means more liquidity, better execution, institutional-friendly structure, what users can do. On Raydium, swap tokens, provide liquidity, farm yield, launch new projects via accelerator, Ray token utility, governance staking, liquidity incentives, simple, clean, efficient, no 200-page white paper needed. Let's talk money, Ray supply, fixed maximum supply emissions already known. Inflation slowing over time, why demand matters. Ray demand comes from Solana trading volume, DeFi activity, liquidity incentives, ecosystem growth. If Solana activity increases, Raydium benefits directly. Ray is not a lottery ticket. It's a volume-based bet. Here's why Raydium keeps coming back every cycle. Solana revival, speed, cheap fees, massive retail usage. Memecoin mania? Meme coins need DEX liquidity, DeFi rotation, capital flows back to infrastructure, Coinbase visibility, legitimacy and awareness. Raydium doesn't need marketing hype. It needs transactions. And Solana delivers those. Strengths: battle-tested protocol, core, Solana infrastructure, high real usage, strong ecosystem position. Risks: heavy reliance on Solana, strong competition, Orca, Jupiter, lower hype than memes, DeFi regulatory uncertainty. This is not a moon overnight token, and that's the point. Good for long-term Solana believers, DeFi users, infrastructure investors. Lower risk crypto exposure. Not for meme gamblers. Short-term pump chasers, 100x or nothing mindset. Raydium rewards patience, not FOMO. So here's the takeaway. Raydium isn't flashy. It doesn't scream on Twitter. It doesn't promise Lambos. But when Solana moves, Raydium quietly collects fees. If you like infrastructure plays, this is one to understand.